Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and I'm over here at Michael's, and right in front of me are grab boxes. So I am so excited. I already got mine. I put them in my SUV. I'll show you those when I'm done. I'm showing you these in the store, but because these carts are so small, they really hold only like basically one box, but they still have grab boxes here. This is Elk Grove location in California. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And you know, Easter, it's all Easter, I think. And they even have these. So these are $5. You get a pack of the 4 Happy Easter cute little ones, and these are $14.99 each. So $5 makes them what, like $1.25 each or something like that. So yeah, there's that option. So you can do, there's other things besides just the boxes. If you want to check your local Michael's. This one is a sign. It has a really cute like corrugated welcome sign. Okay. And then yay, it's this time of the year again. You guys, I love my grab boxes. And then here we have these little DIY signs as well. So they've got the little cord here. Anyway, $5 for 4 signs is a really, really good deal in my opinion, right? I think this one was normally, is there a price on this guy? Let's see. Yeah, this one was normally $24.99. So just one of these alone was, you can probably see it better. It's not covered up. Like that's how it's going to look on the other side. But yeah, $24.99 for this originally. So $25, $50, $75, and then I'm not sure what that was. So it's $100 probably for $5. So again, this is what they have here at the store. So I wanted to show you just to let you guys know in case you want to check your Michael's out. A really great value, and I'm excited. It's like I'm tempted to get more, but I'm gonna leave these for other people. Again, yeah. So I'm gonna look around the store. I'll be right back. I might find some other deals to show you. I want to show you that 50% off is now on the 4th of July stuff and 60% off on the summer. So I'm going to quickly go through that in a moment, but I just wanted to start here and show you, yay, this is so exciting, you guys. So anyways, I hope you guys are finding your grab boxes. Like I said, I'll check back in a moment. I'm going to look over there, and there's actually some of these things I'm going to buy as well. These sketchbooks are buy one, get one half off. I think I'm going to get a couple of these really nice sketchbooks. I can't say it's early in the morning, you guys. These sketchbooks are good. I can't say it, sketchbooks, not bookses. Anyways, okay guys, I'll be right back. I'm going to head over there now with you guys. But one more look at this. Yay, it's so exciting. And then I'll unbox some tonight for you guys too. Okay, so really quick, I just want to show you 60% off. This is a little bit closer view of the summer items, which when I was here last time, they were 50% off. And so just like, remember I showed you the flamingos in the last walkthrough? Well, now these are 60% off. So they're normally $9.99. So yeah, 60% off. Okay, so what else do we have here? Really cute stuff, you guys, like really cute things. Okay, so oh, these are the fake books. These are like the books you put stuff in. These are $14.99 normally, $14.99. Now on the other side, there are candles. So let me show you. I'm actually picking up at a grab box for a friend here. That's where you see this one here. So let's see. Okay, so 60% off over here as well. They have Remember Your Roots. That is so cool. $14.99. So 60 off. Please and thank you are still the magic words. That is so cute. $12.99. Please and thank you. I love that. So this is all part of that 60% off. Then over here, oh gosh, I love this one with the doggies. I love this one. So cute. Okay, let's see how much this one is. Okay, so this is, okay, so it's $29.99 with 60% off. All right. Okay, so I could be here all day looking at everything, so I'm going to make this quick because I want to show you what I have in my car. But here we have 40% off the other items. But 4th of July is 50 off. So I want to show you that before I head out the door here and go to my car and show you this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just noticed this. This is so precious. $24.99. It's like a little table, you guys. And there's a bigger one too. That is so adorable. Okay, so I want to show you this too. I never hauled this, you guys, but I got this the other day. It's actually cheaper today. I got this head, this bust, the other day. I paid 50% off. It was like $10. Now it's 60% off, but it holds flowers. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like a vase, very like Greek inspired, like Roman inspired. It's beautiful. Looks like something from the Roman Empire. I love it. So yeah, 60% off floral over here. So, oh, this, isn't that gorgeous? 60% off. Let me go down this direction here and show you. So 60% off. So like this bunch right here, how much is this one? This one is $12.99 for this bunch. So 60% off. Those are kind of expensive, but 60% off. Oh, more of the little busts. Okay, lots of floral. Okay, so here's what I want to show you. 50% off the red, white, and blue. So this is $29.99. So then 50% off that. And it says Home of the Brave. Really nice. They also have, oh, this is fun. This party supply, party pack. $9.99. It has buttons and it's 50% off. So it'd be $5. All these buttons, tattoos, necklaces. That's really cute. What a cute idea. I like that star button. So they also have this little fringe table skirt, $9.99, so it'd be $5. This is cool. This yard sign, $19.99, it'd be $10. It says USA. That is pretty cute, you guys. That is pretty cute. I may have to get that. A fringe backdrop, $9.99, so $5. Okay, then over here, this is all 50% off. I want to show you. So this tablecloth would be $5. And then where are they at? I saw flamingo paper. I wanted to show you. It's right here. Look at how cute this flamingo. I just want to show you. This is not part of the sale, but look how cute the flamingo paper is, you guys. It's $5.49. And that's so cute. Okay, back to the 4th of July items. Okay, so the ribbons are $4.99. Okay, so these are already marked down from $9.99. So these are $4.99. Very cute. And then the, so you can see all this is on sale here. This garland is really pretty, normally $19.99. So it's going to be, look how detailed that is. It'll be $5, or no, sorry, I wish it would be $10. And this one's really adorable. I remember making these as a kid with construction paper. That is so cute, but these are fabric, $19.99, so $10. That is so cute, like the chain link with like construction paper. Remember that, you guys? But this is in fabric. I have never seen that before in garland. But yeah, in this one as well. I bought mine at Hobby Lobby the other day, one that looks similar to this. They have it in the flag colors. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and check out, and I'm gonna go back to my car and show you what I have in my car, and then I'm gonna head home and unbox these. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna go check out, guys. Okay friends, so I'm back in my car. You can see my SUV is full with boxes. So I picked up one for front, two for fronts. So yeah, 2 total, and then I got myself a total of, I think 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That should be 7. Anyways, yeah, I bought one for a friend and one for my other friend. So then I think that makes me have, what, 5? I don't even know. Yeah, 7. Yeah, 5. I have 5 boxes to unbox for you guys later today. So I'm really excited. I just want to show you what it looks like in my car. I can barely get it. I can't get the seat down. Something's in the way on that seat, so I can't pull that down. I'm gonna have to like fix that before I go here. I also just picked up some knitting needles. These were on sale for I think like $3.20 for my daughter, and these cool paint brushes, you guys. Look how cool these are. These huge paintbrushes. I love those. Jumbo brushes. These were $9.99. And then these, I got my daughter some yarn. So anyways, you guys, but yeah, so let me go ahead and close this video. Like I said, I just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up in case you want to check your Michaels. They still had grab boxes when I left. Like, they still had grab boxes. So that's great because, you know, they usually sell it really quickly, and they still had several when I left. So anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so excited. Like I said, I'm trying not to peek you guys because I want it to be a surprise, but I'm really excited. I can like see things a little bit in there. You guys can kind of see little eggs. Oh, there we go. That's a good window. Anyways, I'm gonna head over to Bath and Body Works right next to Michael's here, Laguna Crossroads, and see what they have over there. And then I'll head home, and then yeah, you guys will see this video first, and then I'll do an unboxing later today. I hope you're doing well, you guys. I will see you soon. All right, friends, thank you again so much for watching. It is super windy today, and yeah, this is not good lighting, but I just wanted to hop on the camera here and say hello. And so I'll see you guys very soon, friends. Okay, take care, and thank you so much for watching. Happy shopping, and I hope you find the grab box. Hope you find the grab boxes if you're looking for them, my friends. Okay, all right, dears. I'll see you soon. Bye, friends.